So this is the second part of implicit differentiation. Okay, so let's start out with finding the second derivative of x squared plus y squared equals 1. So we did the first derivative of this in the last video. So we got okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find the second derivative. Okay, so the notation for that is going to be, okay, we're going to use this little 2 to indicate the second derivative. And you'll notice now that I have a quotient, and when I have a quotient, I have to do the quotient rule, which is low d high minus high d low, draw the line, and square the low. Okay, so I'm going to make my notations off to the side. My low is y, my d low is dy dx, my high is negative x, my d high is negative 1. All right, so now let's go ahead and plug this in. So we're going to do low d high minus high d low draw the line and square the low. All right, so let's clean this up a little bit so it looks a little bit nicer. It's going to give me negative y, positive x dy dx, all divided by y squared. Okay, so the next thing that I want you to notice is I want you to notice this piece right here. We know what dy dx is because it's this. All right, so I'm going to substitute that in. So we're going to get negative y plus x times negative x divided by y, all divided by y squared. Okay, so let's see, what do I have now? I've got negative y minus x squared over y, all divided by y squared. Okay, so this is a little bit messy. I kind of dislike how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I am actually going to multiply everything by y. And the reason why I'm going to multiply everything by y is so that this fraction will go away. So it's just going to clean it up just a little bit. So negative y times y is going to give me negative y squared. I'm just going to get negative x squared there, all divided by y cubed. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to factor out a negative 1 from my numerator. So I'm going to get y squared plus x squared over y cubed. Now, you should notice that we started with x squared plus y squared equals 1. Hey, that's the same thing. So I'm going to substitute in 1 now. So my final answer will be negative 1 over y cubed.